The BJP-led National Democratic Alliance is reportedly considering reviving the pending delimitation legislation required to implement 33% reservation for women in legislatures before the 2029 Lok Sabha elections. According to government sources, the move comes amid changing parliamentary arithmetic following major splits in the Trinamool Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party, as well as the DMK distancing itself from the India bloc after differences with the Congress over developments in Tamil Nadu. The proposed Constitution 131st Amendment Bill 2026, which sought to increase the strength of the Lok Sabha from 543 to a maximum of 850 seats and operationalize women's reservation, was defeated in the Lok Sabha on April 17th. The bill received 298 votes in favor and 230 against, falling 52 votes short of the required two-thirds majority of 352 votes among the 528 members who participated in the voting. Government sources claim that 20 of the TMC's 28 Lok Sabha MPs have rebelled and extended support to the NDA, taking the alliance's strength in the lower house beyond the 300-member mark. In the Rajya Sabha, 7 of the Aam Aadmi Party's 10 MPs have reportedly joined the BJP, further strengthening the NDA's position. Although the constitutional amendment on women's reservation was defeated, the delimitation bill and related proposal to implement reservations in union territories with legislatures remain pending before Parliament. Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal has indicated that the government intends to implement the Women's Reservation Law before the 2029 Lok Sabha elections. The proposed framework envisages a delimitation exercise based on the 2011 census, along with an increase in the number of seats in the Lok Sabha, state legislative assemblies and union territory assemblies to facilitate the implementation of the 33% reservation for women. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.